everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ngenimba guys, sikhuluma ngenimba. Yo, silale inhliziyo zibhlungu ngempela izolo ukuthi kahle hle kwenzakalani. Ubani oshonile? Kwenzekeni kahle guys. Nizokhumbula ukuthi ke izolo the first Friday ka2026 izostressa nje la enkundleni ke zokuxhumana. Nizokhumbula guys ube ne-accident, asazi ukuthi ubepakeleni ulikambe emgwaqeni phakathi nomgwaqo noma besa driver, I don't know, they are kissing while driving, omunye is drunk and driving. Yo, what a mess guys, what a mess. So into eyenzekile guys ukuthi ke uLwandle ushayiseke uZethu kanye ke noLikamva as we saw on the previous episode. So umbuzo ukuthi guys ubani ozoshona between the three, but the possibility umuntu ozoshona ongasashone ozoshona kahle guys uLikamva. Mawuchecka ama last storyline akhe la kukhuluma khona uma wakhe ethi ufila somehow nangendlela yakhe iphepha ngakhona amaqiniso ekhaya, nendlela uma wakhe azizwa ngayo inimba from uThumeka's side ukuthi she's feeling ukuthi something bad is going to happen. So guys, we are speculating ukuthi ke umuntu ozoshona ke uLikamva. Abantu bayabuza ukuthi why kungashoni ke guys uYanga, because i-storyline sakungathi sibhalwa ama-intern. So let's check ama comment ke abantu, but then uThumeka and Hlathi they'll blame uZethu even if Likamva was not busy with the kiss. Lwandle was going to cause an accident and it was going to be fatal. This is Lwandle's fault. He should be reported Linda from the beginning, and can't longer remember the time he found Linda snooping around in his office, but it gotta give it to the writers. They really nailed this twist with this episode. Kodwa Zethu and Likamva, why kissing and not concentrate on the road? She was busy distracting him. All three of them were very wrong. Shame. So abanye bathi ke sebeyabona ukuthi ke inhliziyo ke le ifuneka kuqhawe izovelaphi, kusho ukuthi ke izothathwa ke kuLikamva ifake ke kuqhawe, uqhawe kuze ke asinde. Guys, we don't know, but nje into ithi uLikamva impela ngathi uthi ke uzoresta ke in peace. It's just that guys, when you check amatizes enimba, you can't crack it. Yeah, you can't crack it. Kade ngilibuka laphana ke, I think it's McDonald from TikTok explain ukuthi ababhali benimba bavele bawenza abe difficult amatizes. You can't even crack it ukuthi what is going to happen. Like you can't even try. So yeah guys, I don't know. Do comment below and share your opinion ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi wena ke ubani. But Thumeka's feelings were correct. Motherly instincts are always correct. Rest in peace Kamva. Rest in peace Kamva. Oh God. As in, bye guys.